Ooh.
Water guns. Mm-hmm. Machines are vulnerable to water, so we'll use these water guns to soak them. Be careful. Let's see. There's the golem. Don't let it see you. Let's be careful. Okay. I don't think it saw us.